Hey guys, this is Tanya from the I Can Do English Academy, and today I'm going to teach you this phrasal verb to jump into something. Jump into something.
When you jump into a new relationship, you're excited, you're energetic.
I would not jump into a career like this.
So to jump into something means to suddenly decide to do something, especially without thinking about it too much, without thinking about it carefully. So you don't take small steps, you jump into it. You make a quick and sudden decision. So very often you can hear people say the following expressions. For example, to jump into a relationship, which means to suddenly start a relationship with someone. Or another phrase or idiom that you can hear, jump into action, which means to act immediately. Let's give you some examples. If you don't take the time to get to know each other before jumping into something more serious, the heartbreak can happen in the end. I can't believe my ex jumped into another relationship so fast. I wanted to make a change in my life, so I jumped into a new career and signed up for marketing classes. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like. And in order to practice using this phrasal verb in your English, answer the following question. Have you ever jumped into something and then regretted it? What was it? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!